Good morning everyone, today we're going to be looking at another Ingersoll watch review. They're probably one of my favourite brands to review just because of their craftsmanship and the look of the watches in general. Even though not one's made it into my collection yet, I've got an old-fashioned looking watch in my collection. I have my reasons for keeping that, so I don't think I want another one. That's probably why. But the actual the actual designs of the watches, had I not had that one, I probably would have kept it. Kept one at least. But yes, today we're going to be looking at the Ingersoll, the Scovill model. A nice traditional leather box. Sometimes you get a pouch style box with an Ingersoll one, but this one we've got an actual box with the hardened sort of casing on the side, and it's a simple buckle down finish with some brown stitching detailing the top. Inside we can see a chocolate colour cushion and interior fabric. Just bash my camera. So here we go guys, this is the Ingersoll, the Scoville 43mm. It's a 14.6mm case thickness. Retails at £206 and probably weighs around about 250 grams. It is a very heavy watch. Let's see if I can... That's not going to be very good, is it? I'll turn that off. So you've got three different variants of that particular watch. You can have brown, you can have silver, or you can have like a full black. This one is the silver with the standard black dial, but you can have a black strap with a black casing, black dial, etc. based on whatever you want. I don't know the actual movement of what's inside here. I tried to figure it out, but I just don't know. When we get around to the back of the watch, we can have a look at the jewel number and stuff like that. So at least they'll give you some idea of what's in the back there. So the watch offers a 10 atmospheric water resistance with mineral crystal going over the top of the actual face of the watch. You get fully luminous hands and fully luminous increments, and overall you get that nice sort of skeletal view of the movement in the back and just a generic nice touch to the watch. Coming out to the bezel, you've got almost like a fluted bezel on the side of it. This doesn't actually move. Oh yes, it does move. Nice firm click as you turn that round. Nice, really good there. It almost looks like one of those old-fashioned deep sea Challenger watches. It's just that overall, I know it looks nothing like it, but it looks like one of those watches that would be one of those ones you'd wear either in a radiation zone or underwater at deep depths. It just looks like one of those sort of watches to me. I think it's the overall finish of this strap with this side of the actual casing and the shape of it, just the whole overall look. That's what makes it appeal to me a little bit. But what puts me off is the extreme weight. It's probably around like 250 grams. It's very heavy. You can always put it on an actual strap, I suppose. But yes, anyway, coming around to the casing, we've got I think the casing is a 316 casing, but don't quote me on that. It's a 316 case with a brush finish that you can see from the light reflecting on it there. Same with the crown. The crown's got a circular brush finish, as you can see from that shape that it's creating on the side of the crown. Let's have a look at the movement of it. It's a screw down crown with an excellent pop out as well. First position. Yeah, a good strong movement to the actual hands. Not as strong, say, a Luminox, but it offers a good amount of feedback there. The hand's a little bit flimsy, but it's on the good side. And the crown's easy to use because of the it's got two layers. I don't know if you saw that. If I pull out the second position, you can see that the actual crown has got a little bit in the side there, so it sits off the case a little bit, so you can quickly get access to it. Yeah, it's a really easy crown to use. So that's obviously the main watch. Just a little bit about the brand. The actual Ingersoll brand is one of the oldest American watch companies. It's not the oldest, I don't think. It's just one of them. Founded in 1892. Opened their first store in New York. And actually, they owe their thanks to Henry Ford, who helped them with the production line for producing the watches, which is the ones we see today. Is why we can see them with such good quality. Let's take this little sticker off. assuming I can get this off. Well, I'm going to leave that glove off for now. So come down to the strap. You've got a strap that we don't often see nowadays. These sort of went out of fashion in like the 2000s. You've got a sliding clasp. A sliding clasp is you open up this, obviously this mechanism here, and then you unfold it. I'm not gonna. I think this is sealed down. Yeah, I'm not gonna. Oh, I could actually. Yeah, could do it. So yeah, so you got this little plate here. This lifts up. This little middle section here, this lifts up a little bit, and you can then slide this up and down, and then obviously this separate leg here will then slot on based on where you want it. A nice full mesh strap, as you can see here, nice finish on it. And then come round to the actual back plate, as you can see here. We've got a better look at that movement, and it is 316 stainless steel. But we can have a look at obviously the jewels on it. So it says 20 joules on there, which is a good thing to see. 20 joules. Nice transparent back plate on the back there. Really nice. So there we go, guys. That is the Ingersoll, the Scovill 43mm.